enjoy that, and it's probably not very pleasant to the ears, I believe, right? Hey guys, this is Joe, your friendly music educator, musician and producer. So today we are going to learn to tune this instrument, which is a guitar, to a piano. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so the tuning for the guitar, starting from the 6th string all the way down to the 1st string, alright? This is the order: 6th string E, 5th string A, 4th string D, 3rd string G, 2nd string B, and the 1st string E. Alright, so you should tune your guitar to these notes. Okay, let's start with the 6th string. Okay, let's check our 6th string. Whoa, it's pretty. It's almost a D sharp, right? So we're going to tune it up to an E. Let's do that. Okay, so this kind of tuning method really, it depends on your hearing, alright? So try to keep a good ear. Okay, and the 5th string A. And the 4th string, a D. Okay, that is pretty flat. We need to tune it up. Tighten the string on the 4th tuning machine. Okay, let's bring it down a little. Okay, so pretty much in tune to the piano. The D on the piano. Okay, the 4th string on the guitar is a D. Okay, and the 3rd string should be a G. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's pretty flat. It's currently on F sharp. Alright, let's tune it up to a G. Okay, let's tune it up. The 3rd string. Okay, it's still quite flat. Let's tune it up. Alright, so that is pretty in tune to the piano G, which is your 3rd string. Alright. Okay, now let's go to the 2nd string. The 2nd string should be an E. A B. Right? Okay, let's tune to a B. It's quite flat. It's in between here, between the A sharp and the B. Let's tune it higher. So that is pretty much in tune, right? Okay, so to the 1st string, which is an E. So it's quite flat in between the E flat and the E. Tune it to E. That's pretty much in tune, right? Okay, now that we are all tuned up, let's check again. These are the tuning for the guitar, right? 6th string, 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string and the first string. So these are the notes. It's a little flat. Alright, let's test the tuning. Yeah, that sounds pretty nice, right? Okay, that's quite... It's okay, it's not too bad. Okay, so we have tuned the guitar according to the piano. Alright? Okay, let's check the tuning on the guitar by itself relative to the instrument. Okay, that's a little flat. Alright. Okay, so that's pretty in tune. Alright? Okay. Alright guys, now that your instrument is tuned up, let's get to practice. Alright? So don't miss out on your practices. Alright guys, once again, I'm Joe, your friendly music educator, musician and producer. If you have enjoyed the lesson so far and you want to see more of this in the future, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon to be updated with new content. Alright, take care, God bless, I'll see you around next time. Bye.